Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So very quickly, the Discord private channel which I have is opened up for January entries. If anyone is interested to take trades that I do alongside with me and a proper guidance, there's a small fee I do take only for this channel called Adam Trades. So it's private if you are new, and click on the top right of your screen right now to enter Discord, which is absolutely free. This is the only channel that is paid. Of course, on the background, other than Pepe, I do have so many coins that I'm analyzing here and there, and all these coins, if I find a good setup, I do give you the call and you get to earn something. So in the past 2 months, if you speak of the results, you could have made nearly $2,000 out of $1,000 invested, only because we are 200% up. Okay, so anything that we've bought so far, it has been double 2 to 3x basically. So let's see what January brings. If you want to give it a shot, do message me on Discord here. Just click on Atom Coins, give me a message, and you're gonna be in 5 minutes, honestly. So we are slipping just a little bit lower for Pepe. We're just slipping a little bit down here, okay? And this is probably not very good. I don't see Pepe try to do something like that, but still we are above the hammer. So this is your hammer candle here, and we're still above it. So today if you try to push up inside like this back to 13316, that's going to be again very, very positive. And then from here we may start to slowly push to the upside. So looking at the history, how many days does Pepe take to consolidate before moving up? Now, one time when you pumped, let's see, right, your first consolidation was from this one bottom here to that to the end of the bottom right there. So it started back from 2nd of October until 22 of October. So basically we're talking about 20 days of a consolidation before a massive move to the upside. And then when you moved up here, you went from 27 October all the way to 8 of October, which is nearly 11 days, right? Then from here, you took another consolidation from 11 November all the way until 2nd of December, another 20 days probably. So on average, we're talking about 15 days to 16, 20, or maybe 15 to 20 days of consolidation before making a particular move. So if we start to take the date back from 6th of December, and now it's 20th of December, that's nearly 14 days. So any time within the next 6 days, we should be getting a move. Even though, yes, I know a lot of people are like, Pepe isn't doing anything and this and that. So it should not take more than 6 days, because based on history, on average, there are 15 to 20 days. Now that means it may be today, it may be tomorrow, it may be in 3 days, maximum within 6 days, based on how the charts are looking like. So it is what it is, and be careful. Again, 10,000 is the dead end for me. I'm still positive on this one unless we don't really go down 10,000, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.